Hello friends, in the present video, we will understand what is black money. I feel that most of the students and people don't know what is black money actually refers to. So hence I would like to throw light on this area, what is black money, right? So we will proceed further. What is black money? There is no uniform definition of black money in the theory of economics. Why I am saying this? According to a white paper submitted in the parliament in Lok Sabha by the then Finance Minister of India Pranab Mukherjee, dated on 16th May 2012, he stated that there is no uniform definition of black money in the theory of economics. Certainly, I do agree with this because black money is having different opinions, different ways of understanding, and different words we refers to as black money. Even some of the words are there are several terms, as I said. The similar meaning it gives, that unaccounted money, that is income, black income, dirty money, black wealth, underground wealth, black economy, parallel economy, shadow economy, and underground or unofficial economy. These are the similar words we use actually for black money, right? So there is no specific definition for the black money as per the white paper submitted in the parliament by the finance minister. Then what do you mean by white paper here? Please do understand, white paper is refers to a comprehensive study, analysis, and in-depth study of a particular topic, and with solutions, with an objective to understand, with an objective to provide more information about the topic, that is called as white paper. So generally it is refers to white paper, right? I hope you understood what is white paper even. So we'll further understand the sources of black money, how the black money will be accumulated and generated by the various people. There are two types of black money which we can understand here. One is income earned legally but not tax. In the sense what? Generally, this black money will be generated through a legal business. In the sense, a person, suppose if you take an example, Mr. X is doing some business, he earned, let's say, 1 crore rupees of income. The business is legal, he is permitted to do the business by the law of the land. Then he earned 1 crore rupees. Of this 1 crore rupees, he need to pay certain amount as tax to the government or various authorities. In India, generally the tax rate, if income is more than 10 lakhs, that would be around 30% is the tax rate. If you add GST, let's say 18%, or some other taxes, local taxes, all the taxes, it comes around 45 to 50%. In the sense, out of the 1 crore rupees which is earned by X legally, legitimately, by putting his best efforts, he need to pay around 50%, let's say 50 lakh rupees, in the form of taxes to the government. Then what will happen? The entrepreneur may feel that this much of huge amount I need to pay tax. So what he will do, he will try to conceal the income to reduce the tax liability. In the sense, he will try to reduce his income, hide his income. How he will hide? By various ways he will utilize to show less income. Let's say he wants to show only 50 lakh rupees income, where he need to pay 25 lakhs as in the form of tax. So how much he is saving from tax? Not saving, it is hiding or concealing from this tax, right? No, we cannot say saving, right? So how much is not, how much income on which he is not paying the tax? Let's say 50 lakhs in this case. So this 50 lakhs on which, though it is earned legally, but tax has not been paid, hence it is called as black money, right? So I hope you understood what is black money, in the form of income earned legally but not tax. So any income on which tax has not been paid is called as black money, right? So the next category is income earned legally, sorry, income earned illegally. So how this income, illegal income here refers to, it may be smuggling, illicit trade in banned substance, like you might be purchasing or selling like banned products like brown sugar or any drugs, right? Then counterfeit currency, that is duplicate currency, arms and human trafficking, selling of arms and human beings from one country to another country. This is comes under the human trafficking and arms even. And corruption is the most significant one. So these are all illegal activities. So whatever income earned through these illegal activities is also called as black money, right? So these are the two sources of black money which we can understand here, right? I hope I made you understand about the black money concept, right? And then the question arises next is how to convert this black money into white money. So for that, these entrepreneurs and the people utilize the concept of money laundering. So this concept we will understand. I will make one more video about the money laundering. There I will explain, right? So this is called as black money concept. But taxes are very significant. Every individual must pay taxes to the government because the government will run its show. That is, development activities will take place based on the income generated through taxes only. So if you are paying the tax, it does means that you are developing the country. So we must pay taxes to the government as per required rate on time, right? So thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please do subscribe my channel Mentor the trusted guide, and motivate me to make more qualitative content, qualitative videos to provide more information to you, right? So thank you very much.